you may be asking now, what are the products that I can use without doubts of if they can work for me or not? Here's the thing, gentlemen, I'm going to tell you the products that you want to use if you really want not to be disappointed. Products that are scientifically proven to work. The first beard growth product that you want to consider buying if you really want to grow a beard is the Minoxidil. This is a product that is actually scientifically proven to grow beard, and not only that, if you also want to grow hair in your head, if you want to grow hair, those people who lose hair in their head, they also use Minoxidil to regrow hair. It's scientifically proven to work for people who want to grow hair in their head or to their beards. The second beard growth product that I want you to buy if you really want to grow a beard is a Dermaroller, a beard roller in short. Others they call it a Dermaroller, others they call it a beard roller. So it doesn't matter what name you want to call it, but it has so many reviews and so many success stories on the internet. That's why it also have scientific proven evidence that says that it works. It stimulates hair growth in places where you want to grow a beard, even if you want to grow hair in your head, even if you want to grow hair in your chins. This is the second most powerful beard product that you want to check out, that you want to buy if you really want to grow a beard. And most of the times it's used alongside the beard Minoxidil. They both work hand in hand, and they best do the work together. And the good thing about this Dermaroller is that it's cheap than other beard growth oils that we've been using that have not been working. This product works. Try it out and you see the results, and you're going to thank me later. These beard growth products that I've mentioned here are the best and only beard growth products that really work. No one else is going to tell you this, but these are the best. If you want to grow the beard from scratch, Minoxidil is the product for you. Dermaroller or beard roller is the product for you. Does regular beard growth oil help with beard growth? No, they don't. All they do is to moisturize your face, your skin, and to hydrate your skin. If your skin is not hydrated, it tends to look shabby and doesn't look good. So the work of the beard oil is to make your skin hydrated and to actually moisturize the beard skin. I'll leave the links to the products that I've said in this video down below in the description, including to the beard growth oil that I use. And if you find that this video was very informative, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below that you've subscribed, and I'll make sure that I respond to you. And to those people who actually have questions, you want to ask me something about beard growth, about anything, men's stuff, ask me down below in the comments. I'm there and I'll always make a video to respond to you, my special viewers. Leave me a comment down below, leave me a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.